I feel like there is endless exploring that you could do here. It really is crazy just how diverse these valleys are when they're so close together. This really is as magical as I was expecting it to be.
Welcome to Waypoint of View. We're Jess and Miles, and we're currently 2 years into our journey around the world. We have been on a road trip around Turkey for the past few weeks. This morning we are waking up before the sun in one of the most popular and picturesque areas of the country.
Welcome to Cappadocia. This is a place we have wanted to visit for years. It really is a dream come true to be here. And the sun is rising. There are hundreds of balloons in the air. What a way to start our time here in Cappadocia.
We're just up on our rooftop enjoying our second cup of coffee, and I don't think we're gonna miss a sunrise while we're here.
Definitely not. There's actually still a dozen or so balloons in the air now. This really is as magical as I was expecting it to be. I'm so excited to be here.
Me too.
Cappadocia is actually made up of over a dozen different valleys. So our plan over the next few days is to do a lot of hiking. We are starting here in Meskendir Valley, and this hike actually combines a few different valleys. So let's go explore.
So I know Jess mentioned the dozens of different valleys here, but we should probably try and at least give a high-level overview on how all this came to be. So, millions of years ago, there was a lot of volcanic activity that dumped a ton of ash in this area, and that ash then turned into a soft rock called tuff, and that soft rock then eroded into these beautiful rock formations that you see here. The rock formations alone make this place worth a visit, but what makes this place even more unique are all of the caves. It turns out this soft rock is really easy to carve caves into, and people have been inhabiting this area for thousands of years. Started out with some small caves, they were then expanded into entire cities here, and to call this a hike I think would be selling it pretty short. There is a lot to explore here, and you'd be missing out on so much if you just stayed on the trails. I think we've been out here for a little over an hour. We haven't made it very far. Jess is completely covered in dust from trying to climb up into all these caves. She's currently not on the trail at the moment, looking for more caves to climb into.
I feel like there is endless exploring that you could do here. Tiny room. Ooh. Wow. Holy moly.
At the church?
There's still paint on the walls of this church. It's really echoey in here.
And we can still see where we started.
So much to explore. He is right though. Prepare to get dusty when you're hiking here. Also, it's very slippery, so wear good shoes. Ooh. Also, it's always worse going down versus going up. So be careful just how far up you go. Oh, not going down that. We are hiking in Cappadocia in the middle of a vineyard. This area is actually very well known for making wine. Fun fact for you. Do we have grapes? Grapes! We're climbing. The rock formations are changing from a white color to a soft pink as we enter Red Valley. We have the Meskendir Valley somewhere way over that way. Then we just came up the Red Valley, and now we have the Rose Valley out this way. All right here together.
All the valleys.
All the valleys, all the different colors.
So far, I think Rose Valley's my favorite.
The rocks are this really pretty pink color. It really is crazy just how diverse these valleys are when they're so close together. We gotta start booking it though, because the sun is setting in 2.5 hours and we are nowhere near our car.
We're just past halfway on this hike.
We're moving really slow.
Not anymore. You know, there are places that we've traveled where I know before we get there it's going to be sunrise to sunset the whole time we're there. And obviously Cappadocia is one of those places, but I didn't think we would be rushing to get from sunrise to sunset. I am really glad we have 3 whole days to explore here.
Good morning, we are up before the sun again today, but this morning we're going up in one of the balloons.
After seeing all the balloons in the air yesterday, I am so excited to get up in one of these this morning.
They are blowing it up behind us. Right now, there's about 8 or 10 balloons all around us.
All the fans are so loud, I don't even know if you can hear us right now.
I'm so excited.